Hello and welcome to Facit's Identity Cloak software demo for Milestone XProtect, where we will take you through the 4 steps of video redaction: import, track, adjust, and export. Click on the Facit Identity Cloak tab at the top. There are 3 options for redacting a video. Option 1 is taking footage directly from a camera within Milestone. Option 2 is import. File types supported include MP4 or AVI. Option 3 is using the screen recorder for a video which is in a proprietary player, or if you do not have access to the original file. If you would like to include the audio, check the Include Audio box. Let's get started. Simply click the Select Camera button and choose the camera which has the footage you would like to redact. Once selected, using these 2 features in the bottom panel, you can trim the footage to select the exact time period you need. This could be by selecting the date and time, or by trimming the video. Then click Next to begin. The software will now process the video. This is where the AI is working in the background, automatically detecting and tracking the individuals in the video. It is important to note, the AI is not tracking personal identifiable information. It is tracking the outlines of bodies and heads. Therefore, it complies with data protection laws. Now the video has finished processing, we are at the second step called tracking. This is where you can choose to redact either a full body or a head. Here, you can see that every individual has been automatically detected, indicated by a blue circle masking their faces. As we move through the video timeline, you can see that all individuals have been detected. To keep your person of interest in the clear, you simply click an individual to unmask them. Because the AI has already tracked this person during processing, it really is as simple as clicking their face to unmask. This will create a track which is listed in the right-hand panel. Let's move to the next step called Adjust by clicking the Next button. Additional features will enable you to adjust the redaction. You can increase or reduce the degree of the blur and the size of the blur. You can create custom shapes or blur the entire screen if there is sensitive information in the background. And if you have footage with license plates, this data can also be redacted. Finally, when you have finished your adjustments, click the Export button to create a permanently redacted video which complies with data privacy laws.